Hey guys, so what I've got here today is a stick transfer pump. This is a M12 version, and I'll get it out of the box here and show you. And here we've got it out of the box. Again, this is the M12 stick transfer pump. It's got a filter and an inlet down here. That's where the water comes in. And right there, it's called a hydro pass filter. It shields against clogs. It's got 360 degrees of filter design. Maximizes flow and heavy debris. So I guess it circulates the debris, keep it from building up. But recommended uses are meter boxes, catch basins, sump pump pits, and trenches. This has got a 5-year warranty. You can see this guy's using it down here. So this threaded attachment, you just put your water hose on there. That's just a standard water hose thread, and you'll pop your M12 battery in here, and then just stick that down in whatever hole with water that you need to pump out, and it'll do it. This thing is supposed to pump at 9 gallons per minute. It's powered by M12. It'll push water farther. It'll push water up to 15 feet. So what that means is that you could be down in a 10 foot or you could be down in a 14-foot hole, and you could get water all the way out of there, and it'll pump 9 gallons per minute. So I'm going to actually use this to pump out our swimming pool. This is the best way to clean out your swimming pool, that little bit that's left in the bottom that you can never get out. This is perfect for that. You can also get this on a pretty good deal. If you go down in the description and click the link that I provided, you can get this at about 150 bucks or $150. That's cheaper than most places that you can get it. So again, click the description. There'll be a link in there where you can get this on a deal, and yeah, check it out. Let us know what you think about it. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future deals or how-to videos or tip videos, and leave us a like so that this gets out to as many people as possible, and leave us a comment, and I'll actually show you how this works, pumping the water out of my swimming pool here in just a little bit. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.